Hey guys, today I will tell you that yes, we can play two players split screen in Minecraft. How to do that? It's just a 1 minute thing. First of all, you just need to have two accounts and of course two controllers and assign each account with your each controller. For example, switch on your one controller. Okay. You go in the settings. There, go in controllers and hit here. Go here and you have to select assign to. I have two accounts, so you just click on the one profile and similarly do this to your another controller. Now my another controller is on. I go there, hit the three dot menu and then assign to other profile. That's all. Now head back, open Minecraft. It's loading. So guys, the game has just started. What I have to do is, on my second controller, I have to press this 3-line button here and I got a message, join as player 2. Now again I have to press this. Yes. And now I got two player split screen. You can press A after getting the message and you will get this two player. Now it is loaded and both of the players can play together here. I hope you like the video. Hit like and subscribe. Thank you.